Hey, a couple days ago, a friend of mine asked me to recommend a couple courses for him in order to switch from a pure front-end developer to the full stack. A couple words about my friend. He's pretty experienced front-end developer with Angular and with JavaScript and with this type of technologies. But what he needs to obtain React knowledge and full stack knowledge. So he came to me with some question, and here is my answer for him and for anyone who would like to start as a full stack developer. So my first recommendation is to start from the Frontend Master. This is probably the best place to start getting new knowledge. And the course for him for a future full stack developer is this one, Full Stack for Front-End Engineers, by this guy. He's pretty amazing teacher, and what he delivers is a complete journey from almost zero up to building full stack set of knowledge for any type of developer. So here we create a website, we discuss a network, we discuss domain names, registrations, hosting, and all the things. So this is the first and the best start in this situation, I think. Next one is also from the Frontend Master, and this is Introduction to Node.js, just because for any front-end developer, as soon as you guys are already familiar with the JavaScript, probably the easiest way to start backend journey is starting from the Node.js, and this course by Scott Moss is pretty amazing, and I think the best start to do a simple CRUD operations using Node.js is exactly this course. Next one, which is pretty important for us guys who are full stack developers, is communication between backend and front end and via a web API, and API design is essential for us to know how to communicate between backend and front end. This is what I can say is a pure theory courses. So here we don't have like fully completed project, we have only knowledge and some examples how to apply this knowledge. Right after these three courses, I recommend to switch to project basis courses, where we build from zero up to fully developed and deployed application using all type of technologies. And what I recommend to go next is to Traversy Media, and to start with API Node.js API Masterclass, where we build only API using Express and Mongo, and then this API is ready to be consumed from any type of front end. So this is how to build web APIs. Next one from the same guy is React front to back course. This is the starting point for us to start using React.js as a front end with our newly obtained backend knowledges. So here we built a couple simple projects in order to get familiar with React and with communicating with APIs. And the final course from the same Traversy Media and the same amazing teacher is a MERN stack from scratch. Here we built e-commerce application using React and web API built with Express and with Mongo. So this is the full course, and output from this project what we built during the course is possible to use as a reference, as your job interview starting point, or is an example of previous or learning things. Just an example where you show how you can build completely full stack applications using the pretty widely used technologies. And in the end, when we feed up with Node.js backends, I recommend to switch to some other backend things. And the best option to build backends for me, I think, is ASP.NET and .NET Technologies. So if we go to Udemy, to the Neil Cummings courses, he has like 5 of amazing courses, but for technologies I've been asked React and any kind of backend. So this is an amazing project where we built a full stack application with a .NET and with React and with a Mobix as a state management. So this is an once again full project-based course starting from the zero up to deployed application with React and ASP.NET Web API under the hood. And the last recommendation is in my list, the same author, also on Udemy, where we built another one, e-commerce application with React and with ASP.NET Core Web API and the hood. But here we use Redux as a storage, and this is the complete project deployed and developed from the zero and deployed to the cloud. And this one is amazing to use as a reference for the job interview or for the future journey. Even probably next production-based applications could be built on ideas or code taken from these project-based courses. My estimation for the budget is about like less than $200 or €200 for all of this knowledge you can obtain within probably a month or so. So this is my recommendation to you, my awesome friend who has asked me to make the proposition about education journey. That's it. Thanks.